What is up guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the bushings on a truck. So this method for changing the bushings can be related to any sort of truck, so longboards, shortboards or skateboards or whatever, trickboards, and yeah. So this is just a standard independent 139 truck, and I've got some bones, hardcore medium bushings, and these bushings are going to be put into there. So first thing we have to do is get your skate tool. My silver tool, I think I left it at my dad's house, so not going to be used in this video, so I'm using the old tool. This tool, you basically take off the kingpin, the kingpin nut. So now you take off the washer, I think it's called, like that, and you can just take off the old bushings. Like that. Now you have two parts of the truck. So the old bushing is here and also here. Leave this washer on. My hands are really dirty now. So now you get your new bushing. There we go. Right. So you put the larger bushing on underneath, and then put the truck back on, and then put the top bushing on, and you don't have to put this top washer on, but it usually makes the bushing last longer, but I don't need it, so just chuck it on, and then how tight you want it, and then that's your truck done. So that's your new bushings in. These are the bones, hardcore medium bushings on an Indy Stage 10 139 truck. So hope you enjoyed this video, a little tutorial on how to do it, and yeah, so hopefully this will help you out in the future. Remember to like, subscribe and comment in the comment section below for what I should do next. Thank you.